Instructions are your agent's brain, its job, its rules, and what to do when it's unsure. Today, I will be demonstrating how the quality of your agent's instructions affect calls in real time, using the same receptionist, same question, changing one instruction. If a patient asks about insurance, help them figure out their coverage. This is how most people write instructions, and now we're going to see how an agent handles it on a real call.
Hi, this is Kate with Demo Smiles. How can I help you?
Hi, Kate. I'm a new patient. Do you take Delta Dental? What does my plan cover?
I can certainly help you with that. We do accept Delta Dental. To help you figure out your coverage, I'll need to create a note for our staff to reach out to you.
Now, given that our agent has no other information about our insurance, it is actually incorrect that we accept Delta Dental. Now, we're going to swap out the same instruction with a new one. Strong instructions include 4 parts: a trigger, a prohibition, a verbatim line, and a handoff. This is our trigger. When a patient asks whether we accept their insurance or what their plan covers, so now the agent knows what scenario to respond in when a patient asks whether we accept their insurance. Now, good instructions also include a prohibition of what not to do. Do not confirm coverage, quote estimates, or guess in-network status. You don't have access to plan details. And this is true. The agent does not have any further information about what insurances our practice covers. And a verbatim line. Say verbatim, I can't confirm coverage from here, but our team verifies insurance and will follow up with you directly. Let me make a note with your details so they can look into it. So now the agent knows exactly what to say in this scenario when a patient asks about insurance coverage. Lastly, there's a handoff for the task. Create a task titled Insurance Verification with the patient's name, then include a note of their insurance carrier and member ID if provided. This gives the agent what to do and how to triage in order for the front desk to handle this specific situation appropriately. Now we're going to call again and see how the agent handles the new instruction. First, we're going to have to go ahead and click Save and Continue, and now we're going to call.
Hi, this is Kate with Demo Smiles. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm a new patient. Do you take Delta Dental? What does my plan cover?
I can't confirm coverage from here, but our team verifies insurance and will follow up with you directly. Let me make a note with your details so they can look into it. May I have your full name, please?
And just like that, no made-up answers, and the team gets a clean handoff. So, strong instructions include 4 parts: a trigger, a prohibition, a verbatim line, and a handoff. Good instructions equal fewer wrong answers and fewer calls to your front desk.